problems right off the get-go. I don't know what's going on there as the yellow comes out. A little bit of a disagreement as to who's going to go first. Either that or Jerry looks like he may have a flat tire on that 7 car, as he does. Nope, I guess not.
Definitely interesting along that backstretch. Bleacher Creature's got a good look at that. A few fans of you out there.
I wonder if one of them was a Cubs fan and one of them was a White Sox fan, and they just had some words exchanged about the baseball teams. The lights on the pace car are out. We are going to try this again as the late models get ready to go heat racing for their 10-lap heat race. As they're picking up speed, let's try it again, and we're racing! Stafford with the lead. Hermadka battling for second against Featherston. Featherston takes second. Here comes Beldowski to look for third. Beldowski at Hermadka's outside.
Stafford just pulled a 14.216 lap.
Whatever the problem was in the beginning of this race, looks like it's all worked out. Stafford definitely looking really good out there, taking the lead. Three in, 7 to go.
Patrick Featherston, 13.980 on that last lap. He is catching Jerry Stafford.
David Thomason, the rookie late model driver, starting to look on the inside of Tyler Hermadka as he slipped off just a little bit coming out of turn 4. Dave Thomason comes out of turn 4, looks like he runs hard inside, and then he gets a little loose right there between 1 and 2. As we come around with 4 to go, it's Stafford, Featherston, Beldowski, Hermadka, Thomason, and Wakeman.
Featherston is definitely running top laps. He is catching Jerry Stafford, 2 100 down.
As Featherston might make a move here this time around. As Featherston's looking to Stafford's inside. We could have a battle for the lead. Wakeman looking to Thomason's inside. For the battle in the back, it's Wakeman looking to Thomason's inside again. With 1 to go, it's Stafford hanging on barely. Here comes Featherston.
1/100th of a second.
As they come around, we're going to have a winner. It's going to be Jerry Stafford the second, followed by Featherston, Beldowski, Hermadka, Thomason, and Wakeman.
That is the 4th heat for the number 7 car of Jerry Stafford II out of South Beloit. Blackhawk Auto Sales and Interstate Graphics Incorporated, his top sponsors.
Nice looking 7 car too. Beautiful black, silver, and orange number 7. As we'll find out if he's going to get out of the car or not. As they put out the NASCAR grassroots sign. Nope, he's going to sit in the car. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm round of applause for Jerry Stafford II.